Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own S corporation in Illinois. This is a step-by-step guide from start to finish, and I believe that as a business owners we should focus on running the business, making money, providing value to people. We shouldn't take care too much about, let's say, accounting or administration or how to start a company. We should outsource as much as possible on the things that can take so much time from us, because we have only one time, one attention, one focus, and it really matters where we're going to focus, right? So the first thing that you want to do to start your own S corporation is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own S corporation, and here you want to click Start My Business. Then you want to simply choose and change the LLC to S corporation, and then click here and find Illinois. Then you're gonna have 3 packages here: silver, gold, and platinum. With the basic silver, you're gonna have the basic stuff: free registered agent service, unlimited name searches, preparing filling articles of organization. My recommendation is going with the gold or platinum. Gold because you're gonna have covered everything here: IRS form, business tax number, corporation bylaws, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts. With the platinum package, you're gonna have the business contract templates, expedited filling, domain name, business email address. So as you can see, you would have here you could fill faster your S corporation, but you can do it also in the gold later in the video. So you can click here, get the gold package. Then you're gonna have the contact person here that you need to add, like Marcus Stanelius, and an email address. And then also phone number here. Okay, then I'm going to show you also the street address here, city, Illinois, and zip code. And then when you have it, press next here. And when you're gonna do it, you're gonna have options to have a 1 business day state filling time or 3 weeks. And it's completely up to you. If you want to have it 1 business day and you want to pay $152, you can do it, or go with the 3 weeks. That's completely up to you. And then you're gonna have the S corporation name. So here I will add, let's say, Marcus Marketing. And then designator, I'm going to have incorporated. You can choose the designator that you want. Then number of directors, you're going to add it here, and business purpose. So let's say I'm going to provide marketing service for small business owners, and then you're going to add the industry. So I'm going to add marketing. You're going to add your own industry. Corporate stock information, so here you're going to have number of shares authorized and share per value, and then number of shareholders. Company address information, so you can have a professional business address and virtual mail service, or you can use your own. So if you're going to choose the professional business address, you would maintain privacy by using commercial address, or you can use your own address. Then you would add address here and press next. Then you're going to have the premium service package here, so you can easily upgrade for $149 for all these 3 things: expedited filling service, business contract templates, domain name, business email address. If you want those, you can have them. If no, no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity. And then simply add directors now. When you're gonna have multiple directors and owners for the company, you need to add them right here. And then officer information. So president, secretary, treasurer. And also if you need vice president, you would add it right here. Then press next again. Then you're gonna have the shareholder. So this is the first one, and let's say I'm going to have SSN number here, and number of shares 500. And then I'm going to add a second shareholder. Again, first name, last name. And number of shares. Then representative information if the IRS may call, and press next again. Then you're gonna have the registered agent information. So here I would recommend having this Incfile. So like Incfile would cover for you the registered agent, and you can act as your own, or you can assign Incfile as a registered agent for free. And then you would press next here. Then you need to have the tax number, tax identification number information here that Incfile will apply it for you for the IRS electronically, and it's the fastest way how to obtain your employer identification number. And then you would add simply the SSN number here and physical street address. Then you would press next here, and then you're gonna have option to have your own bank account with the Bank of America, and Bank of America small business specialist would contact you, or not at this time. That's completely up to you. And then you would press next here. Then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation, and you're gonna have option to have a tax strategy with Incfile. With Incfile, and here I would like to receive the business tax consultation completely for free. That's something that I definitely recommend for you to have, is that you will learn a lot about S corporation, how it works, taxes, etc. And when you got it, click next again. Here you're gonna have the business licenses and permits. So we identified 2 licenses for a consulting business in Illinois, and you can click here, yes, identify all licenses I need, and send me the necessary applications. You can use the company address here, and then press next. I would recommend heavily to have like all the information for the licenses by Incfile, and so you can understand it good, how it works. And then review order. So here you're gonna have the formation, the contact, the agent, company, all the stuff that you added. And when you're gonna have this, guys, you're gonna have just click next here, and then billing information here. So in the billing, you would just simply add a first name, last name, card number, and here you're gonna have it all, and then you would just click here to complete and pay. And this is how you can easily start your own S corporation in Illinois. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help and provide some guidance and support. And this is how you can start your own S corporation in Illinois. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.